Hey guys, I want to show you the sequential turn signal for the Toyota Belter. So itakuwa inawaka hivyo. That is what I mean by sequential turn signal. Inatoka from right to the left hand side. Right to the left hand side. So that is sequential turn signal. This is Toyota Belter 2006 to I think around 2012. Projector headlights, LED. Sequential turn signal, it has day running right. So for this unit bei nimeshukisha, clearing stock ndio tuleta a new stock. So hii tunakupeana bei ya 35k zikiwa pair. Kama ni moja unapata na 18k. Kama una buy bili, instead of buying the normal 40k tulikuwa tunauza, kuja na 35k and you save a whole 5000. Number on bio to order.